Growing up in Soweto, over the weekends, I would go to the railway stations, ask for tickets from commuters on a Friday, because I know back then people were not working on Saturday and Sunday. So they would give me the tickets and then I will sell them, and that's where the passion of the business was initiated. As I grow along, I just thought that, look, I wanted to create a family legacy. And the family legacy wouldn't be created with me actually being continued employed by a particular company. I teach myself in everything that I do. I just apply my mind and then I just see myself doing it. Everything else, from sewing to cutting, I've actually learned it on this job. I didn't go to school. I just applied my mind. I just look at people, the ones that know how to do the job, and then I actually learn from there and then apply myself. I was the marketing services manager, managing the budget. The whole idea was brought about by the fact that I was presented with an invoice which was charging quite a lot on one particular golf shirt. It was marked up by about 250%. My mind was triggered to say, look, there's a bigger opportunity and we can start our own company. The company basically started very small, mending trousers, doing curtains, but then it started to grow quite quickly, and we started employing 8 people who are now actually employing 52 people.
This job is so important to me. When I saw someone dressing the thing that I created, I loved it. I loved it. I love to be here, so
China have actually collapsed the South African textile and clothing market. It definitely is like pushing water upstream. So what we always do is we target the clients that we know for a fact they need customized uniforms. Differentiation, colors, and style is the only thing that is actually making us unique in the market at the moment. The long-term part of this is that if companies like Stefanutti Stocks that will be helping us with expanding the facility, helping us to uplift the technology that we're using in our production, will go a long way in actually helping small SMMEs to actually meet the demand of the different clients' businesses. Under the current economic conditions in South Africa, it really is making me feel good to know that I'm providing jobs. I hope that in the next 2 years, we'll be able to exceed our target of employing more than 100 people. When I wear an overall made out of this factory, it just gave me such a sheer experience of fulfillment. Creating a legacy is not something that you can do without you empowering yourself.